Welcome to UC San Diego Student Health Service. My name is Omar Bular.
And I'm Tammy Torres.
And we are student health advocates, also known as SHAs.
We volunteer in the clinic and help educate students about health issues and concerns through outreach programs all over campus.
The clinic is conveniently located on Library Walk, right across from the bookstore.
This is the lobby. Over here is the pharmacy. And over here is the front desk. There are 4 groups at Student Health Service where you can see a nurse practitioner, or a physician. The most common things that students come to the clinic for are respiratory issues like the cold or flu, urinary tract infections, injuries or problems with muscles or joints, acne or other skin problems, anxiety and depression, and sexual health issues. Students can get gynecological exams, pap smears, pregnancy testing, screening for sexually transmitted infections, birth control, and other sexual health services. Female and male providers can be requested when you make your appointment by phone or online.
Routine appointments can be made 1 to 2 weeks in advance. If you need to be seen sooner, call and ask about same-day appointment. If you have an urgent injury or illness, you can be seen in urgent care.
Urgent care service is available on a walk-in basis for illness or injuries that require immediate attention. Because urgent care does not take appointments, there sometimes can be a wait. On the busiest days, it can be 1 to 2 hours. The best time to come is early in the morning. If your problem is less urgent, you can call and ask for a same-day appointment. Please remember that there is a small fee to be seen in urgent care.
Students need to fill out a blue form and write their symptoms and then place it upside down in a bin at the receptionist's desk and wait for their name to be called. A nurse will meet with you first to help triage your problem or help determine how urgently you need to be seen by a doctor or nurse practitioner. It is always best to make an appointment if it is not urgent. Appointments can be made online at studenthealth.ucsc.edu or by calling 858-534-8089.
Over here is one of the stations where you can check in for your appointment.
It's easy to check in. First, you'll need a Q-tip and not your fingers for sanitary purposes, and gently tap start. Next, you'll enter your student ID number and confirm your birth date. After that, it'll ask you to confirm your address. If your address ever changes, you can edit it next time you check in, or you can make changes on the studenthealth.ucsc.edu website. Next, it'll tell you when you're scheduled with your provider, and you want to select that appointment by hitting select. Lastly, you should press start over to exit the screen to help protect your information. Last year I studied abroad in Guatemala. Before my trip, I came to the International Travel Clinic here at Student Health. I got my immunizations and other helpful information.
A nurse advises you on how to stay healthy during your trip by letting you know about any food, drink, or activity concerns specific to the country you're going to. They'll also let you know about any immunizations recommended for the area you'll be staying in.
Since many immunizations must be given well in advance of travel, you'll want to call and make an appointment 6 to 8 weeks before your departure. Call several weeks ahead to ensure you get an appointment in time.
To schedule your travel appointment, you can call Group 1 at 858-534-2918.
Even if you're not traveling, you may be interested in other immunizations such as meningococcal, hepatitis A or B, HPV to protect against cervical cancer, or a flu shot. Some immunizations are even covered by SHIP. You can go to the website studenthealth.ucsd.edu and click on the cost of services. Then when it's time to get your immunizations, check the website for hours. You don't need an appointment, just walk into the nurse's clinic. Prescriptions from student health providers, consultants, and personal physicians may be filled out at discounted prices. Prescription refills can be requested online at studenthealth.ucsd.edu under the Pharmacy tab.
Emergency contraception. Remember, studies show ECPs greatly reduce the chance of pregnancy. So if you've had an incident of unprotected intercourse or contraceptive failure, ECPs can reduce your chance of pregnancy if taken within 120 hours, 5 days, after unprotected intercourse. To be most effective, the pills should be started within 12 hours after unprotected intercourse. Please call a health educator at 534-2419 if you have questions or want more information on ECPs. If students feel uncomfortable asking for emergency contraception, they can hand over a purple card like this to the pharmacist, and the pharmacist will be able to accommodate them.
Over-the-counter items such as cough and cold remedies, first aid supplies, lotions, ointments, contraceptives, and vitamins are for sale at reduced prices.
If students need a copy of their medical records, they can get it by obtaining an authorization release form, which can be found online, print it, fill it out, and turn it into medical records.
X-rays are available at Student Health Service, but you'll need a referral for other radiologic services such as MRI or CT scans.
Blood, urine, cultures, and other tests can be performed on-site or collected and sent out with results usually back within a few days. If you have any questions about the student health insurance plan, you can walk into the clinic and talk to any SHIP representative.
Comprehensive eye exams, contact lens fittings, brand name frames, and sunglasses are available at much lower cost than in the community. All registered UC San Diego students are welcome to stop in and make an optometry appointment, or they can call 858-534-2602.
This is the Health Education Department, located on the second floor of Student Health Service. The health educators in this department are available to answer health-related questions and provide information about resources on and off campus. They focus on the prevention end of things, so helping provide information and skills to keep you healthy or learn how to deal with issues in a healthy way. One of our health educators is a registered dietitian, so if you have concerns about your diet or just eating healthy in general, check out the nutrition section of our website.
The Health Education Department provides programming on a variety of topics including sexually transmitted infections, fitness, nutrition, healthy sleep, substance abuse, stress management, a weight management group, and other campus wellness issues. You should check out the Health Education section of our website for more detailed information.
Well, this is the end of our tour.
I hope you got a feel of all the great services offered here.
Remember, as a registered student, you can still use the clinic even if you've waived out a SHIP. Or if you just don't need to use the clinic, just come by and say hi.